Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys for always coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome, and if you have not subscribed, turn on the bell on in case of any time I just upload any video, any update, you will be the first person to notify. Yes, my beautiful people, I don't see come back again with another gist, with another video. In case today is your first time to come across my video on YouTube channel, this man our Nigerian Hollywood actor, producer, and Shuku Emeka Ani Zimani. Well, my people, when I see this video, I was so shocked because this man now, he get children, definitely go get children, get family, and colleagues as well, my people. Like now e don't say where this man dey act movie more than 15 years. The time wey in the art movie, he just dey act the movie. I been na for free, I be they just dey pay am because that one I need to, because that one me I not understand, because this thing of the way they come online come dey ask for financial support. I know say wetin I want talk now, a lot of people they will get upset, but some people they will see like wetin I want talk, but the truth need to be said, my people. All these our Nigerian Nollywood actors and actresses, many of them they already come online come dey ask for financial support. Why be say many of them they don't dey save for the rainy days, and he just do operation which is last month January and December. Now he just do the operation. Thank God for the operation. Say the operation did successfully, and in the hospital there, the more in dey stay the hospital, the more the bill dey increase. Like he don't take for Nollywood industry. At least if you supposed to know say he need to save for the rainy days. Many of them don't they save for the rainy days. Many of the wetin they just know about, my people, is about to flash the latest car, the latest mansion. But if their enemy come dey seek, they'll come dey ask for the masses, make the masses come support them. The time wey they act, where they supposed to talk to governors, where they supposed to help the less privileged, but they no care. Wetin they just know about na to collect their envelope, comot for there. It's just about them. About them, they just know. How many of them, all those our Nigerian Nollywood actor and actress, wey come and come talk to any governors of the state or person, wetin dey go on, they need to do it like this, like that? No, because many of them they don't care. But if something happen, now the masses they'll come dey ask for the support. I'm not saying that nobody should support him, but this thing is just like often and often. Like this very man, if you see am for ground, it be like all those people wey money, that is wey get huge money, wey risk. If you see all those chief people, why be say many of them don't dey save for tomorrow, and wetin many of them just know is about to lavish their money, and all those their movie wey they act. I believe say producer, director they pay them. If producer and director don't they pay them, I don't think so that they will go there location and act another movie again. My people, this is just getting too much all the time. At least they're supposed to do insurance. They're supposed to do insurance in case of any time, in case of anything, because anything can happen. For that Nigeria, we all know that no insurance for hospital. Say you need to pay, but all those things they're supposed to know. All those things, say in case of tomorrow, they're supposed to save for tomorrow. Not me say maybe if their enemy don't broke, they'll come online, come they ask for financial support. Like this man now, if they gather all those our Nigerian Nollywood actress and actor, at least it passed 2,000 people wey dey there, or 300,000 people. If they donate at least 100K for each person, they donate, each person donate 100K. At least this man for not even come online, come they ask for financial support. They're supposed to help their colleagues. And then they say, I don't know why they don't they save for the rainy days, where they know the country where they say anything can happen, you are on your own. Like then Like this man and this particular man, this man don't have more than 100 or 200 movies. All those money wey they use dey pay the man, it's like the man just dey lavish the money here and there. They supposed to dey save, they supposed to do something, at least that thing go dey fetch the money. I no know why many of all those our Nigerian celebrities wetin they just know, many of them na to showcase their mansion, to showcase their latest car, to showcase their shoe or whatever. Na they just know. I no even know whether many of them dey do competition for there or wetin dem dey draft for. I no know, my people. It's only that one they just know how to do. How many of them, as I talk before, come and say talk to governor, say wetin dey go on for the state e no good. They no dey come and they no dey fight for the masses. And if they need help, na the masses go come dey support them. And the masses go come dey support them. If they dey hard, if they dey hard, na so they go come dey showcase for social media, Instagram here and there. And later they go come dey ask for support. My people, this is just getting to me. They're supposed to think of tomorrow. It's not about today. They're supposed to do something where they will not say that money where they get for that Nollywood for the movie. Say they're supposed to save it for tomorrow. They're supposed to use it to do one thing, at least one tangible thing where you go fetch the money in case of tomorrow. But they don't they do all those things now to buy the latest Lexus, latest mansion for Lekki here and there, Banana Island. Only that one, many of them just know, my people. Only that one. They don't even they think of tomorrow how to save. When they know the society, where they say if you are sick, you are on your own. Government know the support. Government no dey support anything. No talk of even Panadol. Na government dey support. We dey supposed to unite. Okay, let us fight this thing wey dey go on for Nigeria. Make dem put an end. Now they go even, many of them go even go sleep with all those Nigeria politicians so make dem forget more pay to their career. My people, for real, the sort is just getting too much. Wait guys, let me leave the video for you guys to watch and also comment. Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.
Yeah, my name is Prince Dr. Emekrani. I am a Nollywood veteran actor. Since December 7th, I've been in this hospital for a major surgery. And at the end of the surgery, in fact, it expanded to a very dangerous one. Well, I thank God I am getting better now. I am soliciting for my people, my members, my friends and well-wishers, those that love me so much. The bill is too much. I cannot carry it alone. A little contribution will go a long way to pay up the bill. I'm still taking medication at the hospital, Dr. Lugard Hospital, number 21, Mbiri Road, Akwakuma, Were, Imo State. That's where I am as I'm talking with you now. There's some ample of members of Actors Guild of Nigeria who coming to see me one after the other. You can see a group of people who have decided to come and see me, pay solidarity, pay homage. I thank you all. For those who have contributed, I thank you all. For those who have not, I also thank you. And I know in no distant time I shall join you people on locations and will continue to shoot. Thank you and God bless you.
Alright, thank you so much. My name is Fresh Queen Okobo, popularly known as Queen Acharugo. I'm the CEO, the founder of Queen Acharugo Foundation. I'm here to see my father, which in Nollywood everybody knows that is my father. I'm here to see my father and to give my father a support and the little one I have, and also plead for your support to come and show love. Those that love me and those that love my father, please come and support us. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much. My name is Ada Igwe, Too Fresh, the Miss Actors Guild of Nigeria, Anambra State. Please, our colleague and brother, father in the Nollywood is seriously ill. right here in the hospital, and he is soliciting for help, assistance. Please, you people should please come out, come to his end. Please, let's do something. Let's help him. He's going to drop his account number. We are not asking you to pay it into our own account. We're not asking you to pay it to the AGN account. You're not asking you to pay it to any account, but he's going to drop his number. You're going to drop his account number. That is the account you're going to pay it into. Please, you can come to this hospital and see him for yourself. See things for yourself. Thank you.
Okay, on behalf of Queen Acharugo Foundation, Daddy, we gave you this for the drugs.
Wow. Thank you very much. God bless you. Wow, this is wonderful. This is wonderful. Thank you so much.
Right.
God will bless you.
Thank you, Daddy.
You will not go through what I'm going through. Yeah, healthiness, godliness shall follow you people.
And also
Thank you. God bless you.
All right, thank you.
Thanks for coming.